Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, select these all layers without image 1 and move to right. Okay, so select this image 1 and press P. Let's move to down and make new passing keyframe. Go to 1 second and move to up. Okay, so let's go to enable title action save and select 2 passing keyframes. Go to last position keyframe and move to center. Okay, so select these keyframes, make easies, go to graph editor, select this graph. Let's make smooth animation. And last keyframe, move to left. Back to keyframes, select last keyframe, move to right. And create background. Let's right mouse, new, and create solid layer. Add name background, click OK. Select this solid layer, move to behind image 1. Go to effects presses, search effect gradient ramp. Select this gradient ramp, let's use for background. And change start color like this. Click OK. And end color, select this eyedropper icon, select background and change color like this. Click OK and change ramp shape radial ramp. And click swap colors and change scatter 100 like this. Okay. Also can change 500 and select this point. Let's move like this, and this point moves it down. Okay, let's close title action save and let's see. Okay, so let's select this background and Ctrl D for duplicate. Change name grid and delete gradient ramp. Go to effects presses, search effect grid. Select grid. Let's use for grid layer and change opacity. Let's change this 7 and size form. Select width slider, change slider width. Okay, let's see. Nice. So right now let's lock these solid layers and let's see timing. Okay, and select these all these layers and move to left. Okay, and first one, let's go to 5 second or 4 second and select this layer sky, press P, make new passing keyframe, go to back and move to up. And select these all these layers and press P. Okay, go to here and let's create new keyframes. Go to back, first keyframe and select these people. Let's move to right and select this ground, move to down and select this car, move to left and select this main character, move to down also, and character 1, move to down, and character 2, let's move to down, and character 3, move to down. Okay, so let's see. Nice, and let's select all these keyframes, make easies or click F9. Go to graph editor, select these graphs and make smooth animation and select first keyframes, move to left. Let's select work area. Okay, select first keyframes, move to left and back to keyframes. Select last keyframes, move to left for more fast animation. Okay, back to keyframes and select last keyframes, move to left. Okay, so let's back to keyframes and let's go to layer, new, and create null object. I will use null object like a camera tool let's hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move to anchor point center. Click selection tool, select all these layers without image 1 and link to null object 1. Select null and let's see timing. Okay, so in this time let's press S, make scale keyframe and go to 7 seconds, press N for select work area and change scale like this. Select scale keyframes, make easies and go to graph. Select this graph, let's move to left and this graph move to left like this. And let's see animation. Okay, select this scale keyframe, move to left. Nice. And in this time let's play with timing. Select this character 1. Okay, let's move to left and character 3. Move to here and character 2. Move to right for step-by-step animation. Okay. And let's go to here, search effect Gaussian blur. And select this Gaussian blur, let's use for character 1. And in this time, let's create blurriness keyframe and press U for C keyframes and move to here and go to some keyframes, change blur like this and select this Gaussian blur effect. Let's Ctrl C for copy, select character 2 and in this time let's Ctrl V for paste for this part and character 3. Okay, let's Ctrl V for paste and press U. Select these Gaussian keyframes, move to left. So in this time select this sky and go to here and let's go to 7 seconds and move to right like this. Nice. So in this time let's select all these layers and close keyframe settings and let's timing. Okay, let's see full animation. Nice. And let's create new solid layer. Add name fire. Click OK. And let's hide. Okay. And select this fire. After hide this layer, go to pen tool. And let's make mask. Let's make mask like this. Okay, so after mask, let's select this fire and enable layer and go to effects, video copilot and Saber. If you have not Saber, I will add link in the description below how to get Saber. Go to presets, let's click here. We can choose presets here. I will use hot. Okay, and open render settings and change composition settings to transparent. Okay, and change quality to quarter. And for use mask, let's open core and change core type layer mask. Okay, let's try change this style fire. Okay, or let's use firestorm. Okay, so in this time let's select this fire, move to behind main character. Nice. And select this fire solid layer, link to main character. Let's see. Okay, very nice. Let's create start offset keyframe, change 100% and go to here, change 0% and press U for C keyframe, select keyframes, make easies and select work area. Okay, that's good. We can use this black and white color. Let's select FX presets and select black and white. Let's use for image 1. Okay. So select these all layers and click this icon for motion blur. Nice. And so finally, let's go to FX presets, search effect bend and select the CC bandit. Let's use for character 1 and change points. Let's select this point, move it up and select second point, move it down. Okay, and right now I can make bend animation like this. So go to here and let's first go to first second and create bend keyframe. Change like this. Go to here and change this rotation to left. Let's see. Okay, and press U. Let's go to here and add random keyframes like this. And go to here again, change to left, and here change 3, and here change -4, and let's change 0. Okay, select these keyframes and make easies. Nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.